Good morning, children. How are you? I think you are all fine. Very good. Yesterday was Sunday, no? How did you enjoy your Sunday? There is no online class for you on Sunday, no? So, I think you are all enjoyed happily. Okay, children? Today, I am going to tell you the subject EVS. Already we told the subject EVS first lesson. We completed the first lesson. All about me. All about me. In that lesson what we learn? We learn how to introduce ourselves to others. So, how we should introduce to others? For example, hi, I am Tulasi. I live with my parents. I like to paint and dance. So like that you have to tell about yourself to others. Okay? Already we had completed that lesson and I gave homework. I gave homework and you all completed. Some of you completed and they had sent that picture to my personal WhatsApp number also. Very good. Who completed the given homework? Very good. Super guys. Still some children didn't buy books. So parents, books are available at the school. So you all should buy the books. Okay children? Very good. Okay. So once again I will revise this lesson. In this all about me lesson, we learned about 3 children, that is Neena, Ravi, Anshul. So how they introduce them? First Neena, she introduced herself. Hi, my name is Neena. I live with my parents. Means she lives with her father and mother. Next, what she said? I like to sing. She likes to sing, she said. Next, Ravi. With whom Ravi lives? Ravi is living with his parents and grandparents. Grandparents means? Before itself we said grandparents means your father's father and mother or your mother's father and mother. So Ravi lives with his parents and grandparents. He likes to play games. So Ravi likes to play games. Next, Anshul. Anshul is a boy. He lives along with his parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins. Already I said uncles means your mother's or father's brother and sister. Their children will be there, no? They are called cousins. So Anshul lives with his parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins. He likes to paint and dance. Anshul likes to paint and dance. Next, you completed this introducing yourself. Next, here, our likes and dislikes means there are some pictures here. So, in these pictures, if you like to do that thing, you should tick in the box. If you do not like to do this thing, you have to cross. Okay? Here seeing TV. If you like to seeing TV, you should tick. If you like to paint, tick. If you like to play, tick. If you like to sing song, tick. If you like to dance, you have to tick. Otherwise, leave. If you like to listen music, tick. If you like to write, tick it. If you like to read, tick it. You have to tick which you like to do. You should not tick which you don't like to do. Okay? Very good. Next, here, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. See children, Neena likes to dash. In that dash, they had given 3 options. That is, draw, paint, sing. So before in this lesson already we learned that what Neena likes to do. She likes to sing. So here you have to write sing in the first dash. S-I-N-G. Sing. Here is this. You have to pick it and you have to write in the filler. Sing. Next, second one. Dash likes to paint. In this dash, Meena, Anshul, Ravi. Who likes to paint? Anshul. Who likes to paint? Anshul. So you have to write Anshul. Anshul in this dash. Next, Ravi lives with his parents and dash. Cousins, aunts, grandparents. Ravi lives with his parents and grandparents. So you have to write grandparents. In the dash, G-R-A-N-D, grand, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents, grandparents. You have to write it here. Fourth one, dash likes to play games. Who likes to play games? Ravi. You have to write R-A-V-I, Ravi in the fourth dash. So, this is the homework. Fill in the blanks. Next is, these are general questions. These are general questions. You have to think and answer. With whom do you live? With whom you are living now? With your parents. So, I live with my parents. Some children you live along with your grandparents. So, you have to write or tell, I live with my parents and grandparents. Second one, name the activities you like to do. So some of you like to paint, dance, sing, write, read. So these are all the activities. So you have to mention and you have to write what are the activities you like to do. Next, do you play with your friends? Which games do you like to play with them? So everyone likes to play with your friends. Yes? Yes. So which type of games you like to play with your friends? That names you have to write. Okay? This Phillips you have to write in the textbook itself. Okay children? Next. Here see, think and answer. Think of your favorite dress and cartoon. Draw or paste the pictures in the space provided. So first you have to know what is your favorite cartoon or your favorite dress. Somebody likes to wear pant and shirt. Girls means they likes to wear traditional dress, or some girls like to wear frocks, middies, like that. Your favorite cartoon means Doraemon. Okay, your favorite cartoon means Doraemon, Dora Buchi, Motu Patlu. So these are the cartoon characters. So which is your favorite cartoon character and what is your favorite dress? You have to draw. Otherwise, if you are having cutting, means paper cuttings like that, or if you are having stickers, you can paste it here. Okay? So this fill in the blanks and this pasting, your favorite dress and cartoon pasting is your homework. And in the next page means page number 200. Page number 200. Here is an activity. Activity. Look. Count your age and then draw as many candles on the cake as is your age. So here is a cake. Before itself I said you have to know how old are you. You have to know what is your age now. If you don't know, ask your parents. If your age is 6 years, you have to draw 6 candles on the cake and color it. If you are 5 years, you have to draw 5 cakes, color it. If you are 7 years old, you have to draw 7 candles on the cake and you have to color it. So this activity is also homework. So if you finish this task means successfully we will complete the first lesson in EVS. Okay children, in EVS first lesson is all about me. In this lesson we discussed how to introduce ourselves to others. How to introduce ourselves to others. You have to tell your name, with whom you are living and what is your likes and dislikes. And we discussed about the three characters, Neena, Ravi, Anshul, and you finished this introducing ourselves, and you have to finish page number 198. You have to finish this activity, means you have to tick your likes and you have to leave your dislikes. Next, you have to complete these fill-ups. Okay, page number 199, fill in the blanks. Next, you have to complete this think and answer. And in page number 200, you have to complete this activity. You have to draw the candles on the cake that is based on your age. If your age is 6 years, draw 6 candles on the cake and color it. Okay children, did you understand? So this is the EVS class. So today's EVS class. I hope you understood very well. Once again revise the first lesson all about me. Okay children, take care. Bye.